Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 2nd. Leonardo da Vinci died 1519. On May 2nd, 1519, the great Italian artist and inventor Leonardo da Vinci passed away in France. He is famous for painting the Mona Lisa, The Last Supper, and for his notebooks filled with amazing ideas, including early designs for flying machines. Da Vinci was a true genius of the Renaissance era. His work in art, science, and engineering continues to inspire people even today. He died at the age of 67, leaving behind a legacy that changed the world. Osama bin Laden killed 2011. On May 2, 2011, the U.S. Navy SEALs carried out a secret mission in Pakistan and killed Osama bin Laden. He was the leader of Al-Qaeda, the group behind the 9/11 attacks in the United States. The mission was ordered by President Barack Obama and took place in the city of Abbottabad. Bin Laden's death was seen as a major victory in the fight against terrorism. It brought a sense of justice to many who had suffered from his actions. The birth of the first jet airliner 1952. On May 2, 1952, the world's first commercial jet airliner, the de Havilland Comet, made its first flight. It took off from London and flew to Johannesburg, South Africa. This marked a new era in air travel, making it faster and more comfortable for passengers. Although the early comets had design flaws, they paved the way for today's modern jets. It was a bold step toward global air travel. World War II ends in Italy 1945. On May 2, 1945, German troops in Italy officially surrendered to Allied forces during World War II. This marked the end of the war in Italy, where fierce battles had taken place for years. People across the country celebrated freedom after years of occupation and hardship. The surrender happened just days before the war ended in Europe. It was a moment of relief and new beginnings for many Italians. The birth of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson 1972. On May 2, 1972, Dwayne Johnson, better known as The Rock, was born in California. He first became famous as a professional wrestler in the WWE, winning millions of fans with his charisma and strength. Later, he turned to acting and became one of Hollywood's highest-paid stars, known for roles in movies like Jumanji and Fast and Furious. The Rock is a symbol of success and hard work. He's also known for his positive attitude and motivational messages. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.